Affiliate marketing search engine optimization. There are no secrets on how to rank high with the major search engines because effective search engine optimizations are now immense. What is search engine optimization? Before we discuss that thing, you have to understand first how search engines work and a bit of know-how. Search engines are into providing their users with the most relevant and up-to-date information to match the search term that was used. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. They are sophisticated pieces of technology which allow users to quickly find relevant websites by searching for a word or a phrase. Search engine results are useless to users if the information doesn't relate to the search term, or if the results are old. People expect the most up-to-date and fresh information that is useful to them. Updating your website every day and adding some materials will help you get noticed by the search engines. So, if you are going to sell any type of product or service online, you have to optimize your website for the search engines, in order to boost traffic and sales. It is because over 90% of your business will likely come directly from search engine results. And for that reason, it is absolutely important to optimize your site for search engines for you to have the greatest deals in the entire world. Search engine optimization (SEO) is the process by which webmasters or online business owners utilize strategic copy to augment their website's status. It is certain that the Internet has grown so fast over the years, and the competition for the best search engine position has created an enormous market. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Therefore, better understanding the fundamental elements of search engine optimization is vital for an online business success. Making use of effective search engine optimization techniques will improve the page rank of your website. There are many tricks that can be used to increase page rank. The most effective method is to provide high-quality content consistently. This seems like a simple concept, but there are many websites that fails to provide content that visitors find interesting. Sites which provide content that are interesting, well-written and regularly updated create highly engaged visitors who are more likely to return to the website in the coming days. So, if you can set your website apart from those boring, lifeless sites, then do it. You'll surely have a step closer to achieving high page rank through search engine optimization. The next significant factor for an effective search engine optimization is to include keywords and phrases within your content. To make sure that you are properly targeting your market, you have to make sure that the keywords and phrases you have on your site are the keywords and phrase that your site is actually optimized for. The more keywords you use in your content, the more likely it is that online visitors will find your site when they do some research with those words. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. If you are unfailing with these techniques, then your overall search engine optimization will increase, boosting your page rank. You should also have to develop a linking strategy as a part of your search engine optimization. Not only does this provide free advertising for your site, but it makes the impression that your site is imperative because of its affiliated links. For each link that you have pointing back to you, that is another chance for your potential customer to find you. The more inbound links that you have pointing to your site, the higher you will be ranked in the search engines. Another is to develop a content stratagem. People who get to search from the internet are looking for information. The more information you provide for them and the more helpful it is, the more likely you will make the sale. Writing articles is the most effective way to build up content for your site. When writing articles to post on your site, make sure that you develop a clear means of arranging their content. You can do this by simply adding a new page to your site. This will allow room for extra articles to be added as you write them, and will allow you to build up an archive of articles which will maintain to draw online visitors. Make sure also that you have included your archived articles in a directory that is next to the root web of your site so that the search engines will catalog your online articles. Always keep in mind that search engine optimization methods are important in developing your site's status. With that thing in mind, make sure that you write high-quality, keyword-rich content and link your site to and from a deliberate family of other sites. These things will help improve your site's popularity and coerce increased business through your online business. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.